2021 Kia Forte. If you want to know where your cabin filter is and how to get it out, it's going to be behind the glove box. Open your glove box up, disconnect the damper that you have here just by pulling on it. And you're going to need to disconnect the glove box stoppers by turning them counterclockwise, and they'll just come right out. There's two of these. Okay. Then once you get both of them out, you can lower the glove box. Cabin filter's in this compartment right here. All you need to do is squeeze these little tabs you have on the sides, on both sides, and it's going to give you access to the cabin filter. Here's the cabin filter. All you gotta do is just pull it right out. This one's going to be pretty clean because it's pretty new. If you need one, I'll leave a link down in the description box below. But there you go. This is what it looks like. This one's pretty clean. It only has about 3,000 miles on it. Actually, for 3,000 miles, it's kind of dirty, but let's just slide that new one back in there.